The man from Bradley County accused of shooting and killing his ex-wife appeared in court today.
We've been keeping you updated on this story since last month. Craig Liner faces a first-degree murder charge. Investigators believe he shot and killed his ex-wife, Karen Liner, at a home in Cleveland. We've since learned Karen Liner worked as a nurse for 20 years and then became a real estate agent.
An arrest report that we obtained says dispatchers heard gunshots while on the phone with Karen Liner. It says Liner was begging someone to end and say, please stop. Police say they have evidence of Craig Liner going to and from the home. Today in court, we've learned a bit more about this case and the defense forming around Liner.
News Channel 9's Sarah Howard joins us with an update. Sarah.
Kim, Latricia, Craig Liner is facing first-degree murder charges, but in court, his attorneys clarified this doesn't mean he's facing the death penalty.
This first-degree murder is a capital offense. It could be, but we don't know that yet.
Prosecutors say there are 19 different ways a first-degree murder charge can be upgraded to aggravated murder, which could lead to life without parole or the death penalty.
We believe that there is one factor that could be relevant, and that would be that the murder was committed during the perpetration or attempt to perpetrate another felony, and burglary is one of those enumerated felonies in that factor.
The judge said the law gives prosecutors until 30 days before trial to decide if they'll seek the death penalty. Defense attorneys also raised questions about the judge's role in the case. Liner's attorney said Judge Clay Collins and the victim had too many mutual friends on Facebook for him to be impartial.
I know Your Honor told us on the conference call that you didn't have a personal relationship with Ms. Liner, and I totally believe that. There are connections, however, that make it personal for Your Honor.
The defense pointed to the Facebook post from the Rotary Club of Cleveland, where the judge is a member. That post expressed sadness over Karen Liner's death.
I never talked to Ms. Liner, knew anything about her personal life or professional life. I do think that I am able to serve as a judge and that the burden has not been met today.
Judge Collins denied bond for now, but will give both sides the opportunity to call witnesses and make a case for or against bond later this month. In Cleveland, Sarah Howard, News Channel 9. One Facebook user commented on that post, "She was an amazing person who always took time to talk and care about other people." Another said, "I am just devastated. Karen was such a bright light and a kind soul, praying for her kids and all those who loved her." Latricia?
Sarah, thank you. Liner is expected back in court for a bond and preliminary hearing on February 21st.